Hi, I'm Caroline Dupré, certified trainer with the Center of Nonviolent Communication. I'm making this video today to share with you about the power of empathy in relationships and how it can impact your life to bring more peace, authenticity, empathy, understanding, and harmony. I'm sharing in this video keys for you to experience more empathy in your communication. So are you curious? Here they are. First key I'm sharing with you is attention. When you're listening to someone sharing their story, where are you putting your attention? Are you putting it on yourself, on your experience that is in relation with what is being shared, how it impacts you, or are you listening to the story of who's right, who's wrong? Are you listening to find solution? Are you listening to suggest a resolution? Or are you listening to what is alive? What is the person feeling? And what is the need that is met or unmet in the expression, tragic or not, of the other person? When I'm saying tragic, I'm meaning, is the other person that you're listening to expressing judgments, criticism, blame, evaluation, analysis, interpretation towards you, himself, or others? If I choose to put my attention on that and nourish the story of thoughts, of judgments, it will have an impact. If you choose to put your attention towards what is the person experiencing when saying that, and putting attention towards what is the person feeling and what needs is this person trying to express with whatever words she or he's using. So this is the first key I wanted to share with you: attention. I am offering you the opportunity to translate whatever the other person is saying into an expression of connection, into curiosity, a quality of presence, to be there, listening. With empathy, is a meaningful way to listen, to be there, not trying to change the other's experience, even if it's uncomfortable, just to be there. So presence is another key. Are you feeling curious to learn more? I invite you to join us for a learning experience at Café Zéphyr on May 4th to participate to the workshop, The Power of Empathy in Relationships. It's offered in collaboration with Transition NDG. A few spots are still available. I invite you to click on the link below and join us if you're available to share this experience together. I'm feeling enthusiastic and curious to share this experience of empathy with you. I'm grateful.